I can't pronounce Arabic sounds. Trick. Slow repetition after listening to a native speaker. Arabic sounds feel strange because they're new, not because they're impossible. Sometimes learners also feel that many sounds are similar. Let's try this together. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly.
Light versus heavy sounds. Sin, Sad, Ta, Pa. Now the deep sounds. Ayn, Kha.
Focus on one sound at a time. This slow, focused repetition trains your ear, your mouth, and your eyes together and helps you avoid confusing similar letters.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.